Alright guys, a highlight video from Greatstockpix.com, our live trading chat room on June 12th. These are 5-minute candles of the SPY. You had a nice gap up and it's been selling all day. So if you look at the daily, pretty nasty day, which is what makes today's calls and ideas from the All-Stars and a couple from me so impressive. We didn't actually had one short idea that I put out, the rest were longs. Let me go over them real quick. I'm going to start with the best one of the day, Osman K. We'll call him Oz, the latest addition to our All-Stars, which basically gives him moderator status. We just added him a couple days ago. He's called Q-Core 2 days in a row. Today his call was right here at 43 with a 42.77 stop. So there's the trigger. These are 1-minute candles. Doesn't even come close to the stop. And I'll switch to 5s now. So from 43, which was right here, 23 cents risk, this thing makes it all the way to 46.77. $3.77 move per share on 23 cents risk. And yeah, you talk about picking the right guy for an all-star. He's been on fire. He's been a good trader as long as I've known him. I don't know what took me so long. LYV, one of our other all-stars, he's the fast guy with the news. Big Al posted LYV when it was halted, okay, which means it looked like this. Then when they unhalted it, it looked like this. We got about 5 minutes, and Al alerted that it was unhalted. I looked at this, saw the volume, saw that it was right at the high of the day, and called this as a trade right here with what we call a Tokyo trade because of the volume and the stop at 13.89. So this is going to have to, we're going to have to buy it here, and it's going to have to go back down, pretty much take out the low of the day for us to be wrong. So 1407, I believe, 1389. Let me double check that. Yeah, 1407, 1389, and look what happens. Within 5 minutes, this was up a buck, and now it's hitting new highs again. Market's still open for another 30 minutes. I'm done trading because today's my birthday, and I'm going to take the family. We're going out for dinner and a movie. So quitting early to get my videos done, but that one made my day, and if I were still in it, it would be making my day even more. But a great alert by Big Al. Doesn't get much better than that. Coach, Big Ideas, another one of our all-stars, called Coach at 57.41 with about a 20-cent stop, and it went all the way to 57.98. He also called First Solar on a break of the high, I think right here, and I think it went up over a buck from there, so that was a nice call too. MLNX, I called this not as a trade, but I posted a volume alert. See that volume spike right there? And so I got some thank yous because people take these on the volume alerts with a stop below that 5-minute candle. I didn't call it or trade it as such, but anyone that took this under 48, this thing went all the way to 51. And the stop would have been 47.28, so about almost 80 cents risk, 73 cents risk, 72, something like that. Anyway, a real nice move there. And I did get some thank yous, even though it wasn't an official call. And just glancing around, oh, the short that I called, it was on the watch list last night, Autodesk. If you watched my video last night, I posted Autodesk ADSK as a possible short today because you had the close yesterday nicely below the 200-day, not a lot of support to the left. It was basically breaking support, and you see it's fallen farther today. Into the session, when it looked like this, Michael N., one of our members, said, I believe it looked like this. Michael then said, hey, if this breaks the low of the day, your short idea could play out. And so I said, you know what, this could be a good short, basically right here at 35.05 with a stop at the 20-period moving average 5-minute candles. So the idea I gave was 35.05, 35.21 stop, and you can see what happened. Didn't stop out and went down to, I don't know, 34.50. So a nice short there too, and a nice reminder by Michael. And just great team. I can't say enough about teamwork in there. If I'm not seeing something, somebody usually chat slaps me and makes sure that I do see it. Looking over my notes, I think that was it from the day. Just a nice day. Oh, one of our members, Newbie, called SCTY out and said, hey, through the high of the day, this could do something. And that would be over 35. And pretty quickly, within 5 minutes, this went up to almost 36 and ended up, as you can see, going higher than that. So a nice alert by Newbie as well. And that's it. I'm going to quit babbling. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.